Imagine a future where your money works for you, even while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? That's exactly what investing does. Many people work hard every day, but saving alone isn't enough. Inflation, the silent thief, eats away at your money's value over time. If you keep your money sitting idle in a savings account, it grows very little, often slower than the rise in prices. Investing, however, puts your money to work. Whether it's stocks, real estate, mutual funds, or your own business, investing helps your money grow faster. Over time, thanks to something powerful called compounding, your small investments can turn into big wealth. Most importantly, investing gives you freedom. Freedom to retire comfortably, to support your family, to chase your dreams, and to live life on your own terms. So don't wait. Start investing today, not just for yourself, but for the life you deserve. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is now, eh?